We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at this new 7x16 by 3 foot telescopic dump trailer from Gorilla. This does have your I-beam frame, your adjustable coupler, safety chains and jack. Here we have your telescopic cylinder. This does have the option for a tarp kit. Here we have your hydraulic box, remote. There are stake pockets along the side. Your black diamond plate fenders with your 2 Greaseable 7,000-pound axles with 16-inch wheels and tires. This does have LED drive lights, your barn doors in the rear. We have your slide out ramps. As well as the spare tire mount on the passenger side. Once again, this is the new 7x16 by 3 foot sides telescopic dump trailer. If you're interested in this trailer, give us a call at 615-641-7720.